I'm Egg Mama Christy.
Today I'm going to show you how to make cute egg ornaments. A perfect ornament for Christmas. Just made out of a cute little egg.
For our egg ornaments today, we're going to be using a blown egg. We're using pipe cleaner, sharpies, felt for the hats, googly eyes. We have a string for the hook, and extras, we have pom-poms and little bells. And we put it all together with a hot glue gun.
First, you cut the hat like a pie shape. And then you get the hook. And then you glue it on. And you make it dry for a while. Fold it up. Hot glue it. And then, here's an example.
So now we're going to be doing the glue, gluing on our eyes. And at the bottom, oopsie. At the bottom for our legs. Okay, eyes attach. Thank you. And then we stick our legs at the bottom. And there we go. We're ready for next step. These are great projects and great fun ideas to do with your family. We use them as gifts to give to our parents, kids' parents, their teachers, grandparents, and we've done them up as fundraiser items that we've sold at schools to raise money for the schools. And to do that, we just put the school's name and the year that we did it. Enjoy, have fun with these, and you can do so much. Have fun.